It is very important to keep the machine from cutting into the table. If the user cuts a small amount into the table, that will only require the user to replace the table plates. Cutting deeper into the table may result in significantly more damage, including the possibility of cutting into the mechanics that drive table movement. If this happens, the table will not move, and a replacement table at significant cost is needed to get the machine back to working order. Table collision warning is a user set limit feature. With the blade on the spindle, start by moving the cutting arm down to a point just above the table, or just above the point where the user wants to stop, like this. Once the blade is at the limit, go to the settings screen and then into the table collision warning menu here. With your blade at its limit in the chamber, press the update button to set the limit. Now, if a user sets the machine to cut deeper than the limit set, the machine will cut to that limit and then abort the cut. In this case, a warning will show up on the screen, but there is no damage to the machine.